Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 study methods that can genuinely boost your grades and help you to study smarter. Do you ever spend hours studying and still forget everything during an exam? The problem usually isn't your effort, it is your method. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven study strategies that actually work, plus a bonus tip at the end that most students often forget. So let's get started. Method number 1, remove all distractions. When studying, all your distractions should be out of arm's reach. Try also being in a quiet space, especially if you're a person that gets distracted easily. What really works? Place your phone on a desk or table that's a few meters from you on silent. If you're working on a computer or tablet, try turning on Do Not Disturb mode so notifications don't pop up. Also, try encouraging yourself to stay away from social media while studying, as a quick Instagram or Snapchat break can turn into 30 minutes or more of scrolling. And trust me, I've been there too many times. Method number 2, try teaching someone else. One of the best ways to know if you truly understand something is if you can explain it clearly. Try teaching a friend or family member a concept you've learned. For example, how a tsunami might form. Helping someone else understand a concept will reinforce your own knowledge, which can help you better remember it during a test or exam. And as a result, since you can teach it, you have mastered it, and your confidence level on that topic will improve. For a math-based class, try teaching someone else on a piece of paper to visualize yourself doing a specific problem. Method number 3, use practice questions. What really works is testing yourself by doing these practice questions, which will help you to realize what you know and what you might need to improve on. Simply rereading notes that you've made in class won't be enough for some courses, so try to apply that material accurately. If you're preparing for a midterm or a final exam, and you might know the breakdown of that exam, try simulating a timed exam to become familiar with the conditions. Plus, you'll improve your speed and understanding while doing so. Method number 4, understand your mistakes. While learning, it is okay and even encouraged to make some mistakes. It is really important to understand why and how you have made those mistakes. Now, what really works is to ask yourself, why did I get this question wrong? Or where did I go wrong in this process? This can be a fast way to improve on your mistakes. After you've corrected a mistake, it is very important to go back to a similar problem a few days later and see if you can still do it. If so, great, you just learned from your mistake. If not, that's okay. Try again, and the more practice you do, the better you will become. Stay consistent. Method number 5, manage your time, use study blocks, and don't forget to take breaks. What really works? Nobody can study non-stop. It is beneficial to take a break and disconnect in order to give your brain some time to relax and rejuvenate. Now, next time you study, try studying for blocks of 30 minutes that are followed by 10 minutes of break. Now, don't get carried away on that break, as it will be hard to regain sustained focus, and very importantly, don't forget about method number 1. Keeping and maintaining a structured approach to your studying will help to deliver good results while also helping to balance your energy and retention rates over time. The bonus tip: sleep well, eat well, and stay hydrated. It should go without saying that if you're tired, hungry, and thirsty, you simply can't study. Planning to study the next day, make sure to sleep well, eat nutritious food, and always stay hydrated. Having a quick snack before you study can boost your energy levels. And having a water bottle on your desk will help to ensure that you're hydrated while you study. I would like to thank you for watching. I hope these study methods will help to boost your grades and help you study smarter and not longer. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content just like this.